Hi guys, how are you? Ready? Today this video. I will explain how this girl, this happy a feast day girl. When this girl started to hate her Billy. And of course, I went yes for no reason. So whether if I can stand it. Of course, I protected Billy. But she started to hate me since she was studying first. But I hate you. She hates you, nor Billy. Just so I can just naps. But that's it. Bye.